Logan walked up and said, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm watching Virgil. I think he just won the Burnout contest."
Yes. We're out here today at Twin River Raceway for Buddy Derek Couch's race, Couch Performance. We're gonna do some diesel racing. We had a U-joint break, and I thought that was it, but it appears the transfer case ain't working, so we don't have four-wheel drive. We're gonna run it anyways. There's 5 trucks in the class, and my buddy's got his Datsun here, Eugene Datsun. He's gonna run small tire, and we'll have some fun. Everybody here looks like it's gonna be a good time. That good? Oh yeah, shout out Maryland Performance. And all my other sponsors, Ruthless Performance, Cody at Straight Line Solutions, Derek Kulach at Paul Max Racing, and Jerry Jones at Central Automotive. He lets us rent a shop off of him, a good deal, and without that, we wouldn't have a place to work on our shit, because I break it a lot. Like recently. Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Diesel truck.
I'll take the last chip.
Of course you would. It'll be the same chip. I know what you'll bet.
I told 4, so I threw 4.
I might get a buy. Alright.
I didn't. Virgil let that one happen. He was like, "Bye, I want it."
Yeah, I need it. I need to figure out if I can go full drive or not.
What you gonna do? You gonna break the damn drive shaft?
I'll break whatever as long as it goes full drive.
No.
No? Oh. I got a
one. What did I fucking tell you? What did I tell you?
So I'm taking you two, Drew, to he's
Yeah.
by.
Yeah.
I do. I drive every time. Every time.
What color do you
Well, good luck.
You got blue.
I got left lane, yeah.
Tristan Ryan.
That's the lane it will hops in, yes.
Right on with the buy.
Say blue's right.
Blue is left.
I did not want to fucking moon tune my truck first shot.
Moon tune it.
Moon tune it.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna full send it. Fuck it.
My shit stays on that level.
I'm not gonna lie. I've got 2 tunes.
I'm hoping I can. Because I don't know how to leave until I drive. Not that truck. Not yet.
Hey, good luck!
Thanks, bud. Thank you.
Burnout contest, then we're going to come back and do them again. We're gonna do the burnout contest.
Well, we're gonna try to do it right here, where the pavement's rough, so we don't screw up nothing.
It's a good thing.
We even got a built-in wheel scotch.
Is this the burnout
I
competition?
think so, yeah.
Oh, Virgil liable to put it on the rims right here. God damn.
All over damn cone. He did? Is he dead?
I don't know what year it's in, but it was high.
I ain't done yet, god damn it.
Hey!
What?
Coolant! You're over 8.
Shut her down. We got some coolant right here. Hang on a second. Just give her a second. She needs a minute.
Give her a second. Give her a second.
I'm gonna walk on this truck. I'm gonna walk on this truck.
You gonna pop them?
Well, I guess she's overheated.
Oh,
More water coming out of it.
Yeah, it just, you know.
What it is?
Yeah, I smell it.
It got hot.
Oh, yeah.
It's Lowe's, why?
Everybody panicking over.
Yeah, I mean, now. Just give her a second.
How I didn't get on the gate.
Oh, it's merged.
pegged.
Yeah.
That's why we stopped.
Oh, I wasn't gonna stop, it died.
The road or something, cool it down.
Go in the grass.
Cut. Hey, you burn that right here?
He pulled that rubber up. Got asphalt.
So, if you haven't noticed, I'm a little rough on her. She still goes, though, Bob. She still goes. That's all it needs, a little air. I mean, the fan just get pulled. You know, typical Ford. Didn't have no four-wheel drive today, but that's okay. We still managed to do a little bit of that stuff. And here we are. That's all it needs, some air coming through it.
Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you, get them diesel engines hot, shut them down.
That's about the 15th time I've done that. It's fine.
It's a wonder it ain't cracked the heads.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
She's still going.
Damn.
Bertha's good to me, Dad. Except for the transfer case. How do I get out? Just straight through?
Second.
I'm gonna set this in the back.
She's good, Bub. It's cool. It's cool. Everything's cool. Cool engine, cool me. Thank you. How the hell do you clean that up?
No, you do.
I was like, what do you do? Don't you do it.
What are you doing, Virgil? What are you doing?
Fixing your camera thingy.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. So during a little burnout competition, lost a little fluid. Fix for that. Also, if you're not losing fluid, you're not doing it right, you're not having fun. I'm gonna add her up, and me and this cat who won the class, he won a road race. So we're gonna make it. Yeah. If we have tires, we can do that. They're down to wars. I think it's still too hot to take the cat off. Oh, yeah. She's toasty.
Still hot?
Yeah.
Pretty.
Got her filled back up, and it's staying cool. We're good to go. I think. I'm ready to go. This cat right here, they won the diesel class. It's LML, that's piping tunes so far. Again, we broke the transfer case, so if you want to roll race, we're going to roll racing. If I can get it to build some boost and not spin at the same time, we'll do good. But we don't have any tires,
So let's go check them out.
I don't think they're that bad shape, honestly.
Where you cutting the asphalt, it gave you some new tread.
Yeah, that's recap, but we're ready to go. That's enough. So today, had a great time. Figured out our transfer case isn't working. That was our big issue. If you watched the last video about the truck, it made some pops and cracks. So that's what we ended up getting. The axle looks great. I did replace a U-joint with a Spicer U-joint, but we still have no four-wheel drive, so I'm pretty confident it's a transfer case. You lock it in, turn it in, on, it don't work, but that caused us a racing two-wheel drive. We spun like hell. We lost fair and square, but it will say the truck's making some good power to be spinning like that, so I can't wait to get that fixed, show y'all how this thing does in four-wheel drive. That's great. Also, I won the burnout contest. I won something. That's probably my greatest achievement of my life so far. So everybody was scared. It got a little hot, blew some coolant out, but you know, I've done that a lot. So we got some new ones in it. We're good to go. We're gonna see if we can't mess with that. He's behind us in his cover. I'm gonna try to give me a roll when we get closer to the house.
I said, is that why you let up? He said, I didn't let up and quit.